How to post on Facebook group without name. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily post on Facebook group without name. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Facebook app, and then once you're on your Facebook app you have to tap on your profile here in the top right corner here, and then tap on groups, and then go to your groups. And now the problem is that not every group will have the option to post without name, so you have to check that if the group in which you want to post has the option to post without name. So first we will go to this group and then tap on write post here in the bottom right corner, and then here you can see there is no option to post without name or post anonymously. So we'll go back and see that if in this group there is option to post anonymously or without name, and you can see that here there is option to post anonymously. So if you want to post without name and you see this option, you have to first tap here to turn it on, and then here tap on I want to post anonymously, and now you can post without showing your name on the group. So write what you want, and then after writing you can just tap on post and your post will be posted without showing your name. And so this is how you can post on Facebook group without name. Thanks for watching.